Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make your Spotify playlist public. The process is really short and easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me, let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed Spotify on your phone and already logged into your account. If you haven't done that already, then go ahead and do that first. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open Spotify on your phone. And this is the homepage of Spotify. Now to access your playlist, you'll have to go to your library. So for that, tap on your library option right besides the search icon at the bottom menu. Now here are all the playlists that I've created. Let's open one. I'll just open this one, Nile. Let it load. Now all you have to do is tap on the three dots right besides the add icon. And on this menu, you can see the last option, make public. Go ahead and tap on that. Wait for it. And as you can see, the playlist has been made public. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.